Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video on Microsoft Excel. Today we'll try to cover flash fill and custom list. Okay, let's move to our data. Let's say I have this sample data. Flash fill is, it will take your last pattern, what you did in the previous cell, and it will try to repeat the same what you did in that cell with the rest of the rows. So I will insert one column over here, and let's say for example here I need full name. So if I need full name, what I will do, I will put James space but, and we'll move to the next cell or row. Then I will go to data, and then I will come here on the data tools. I have over here flash fill or control E, right? That's it. It has combined the first name and the last name over here. This was very straightforward or easy way. Okay, let us try something over here which I'm sure will not work 100%, but at least it will give you something. So now let's say for example I need numbers here. Numbers. So here I have, let's say for example 6649. 6649. So I feel that where there is a number, let us pick that number over here, but let's see how much percentage it will be accurate, right? See here it is here it took the number 4 out of this. Here it got a bit confused because there was a number at the start and at the end, so it was like this. Then here see it took only the number part, only number, this, and here again because number was on both sides, so it got lost. Okay, here see here 2371. So it removed that characters text and only took the numbers. So it did with all our 500 records, right? This is another way to use it. Okay, now another usage will be here. Let me show you here. Let's say for example here I have this phone number, and here I have dashes. Removing dashes is straightforward. I can just select the column. You might say that okay, Control H, and here dash, and replace with blank, replace all. Okay, so why we need flash fill? Okay, now another another challenge will be, let's say for example I have this number, maybe it's a text number or some other number. Here I have some sort of pattern or item code might be, where I need dashes to be incorporated first after 2 numbers, then before last 3 numbers, right? So what I will do, I will just copy paste one value from here, and I will do after 3 this, and after 2 1, right? I did this, right? Okay, now move to the next cell and flash fill. Okay, we haven't used any function or any formula, and it's quite straightforward. Same way you can do with the emails if you want to get some text out of it, or this website address. It depends, right? This is how it was. Another possibility is, let's say for example I'm just giving you another try where I need only first 2 characters, right? I will say first 2 characters. You can use Excel functions as well, left 2, it's okay, but I'm just showing you how this flash fill works. I will just take first OR. See, I'm just taking OR, right? So now Excel will say, okay, in my last cell what I did, it will go here and say okay, OR are the first 2 characters, right? And then it will try to get 2 characters out of these country names sorry county names. Flash fill, why it is going to edge cell? So here this logic is not working, right? Because here it is going OR of this. See, it is not 100% working over here. Here there is a loss in this. No, this is not working with this logic. So what we can do over here, if our flash fill logic is not working, then I can use function equal to left of this comma how many characters, 2, and this. See, so now flash fill was not working on that logic, so we change that logic, right? Okay, there can be some other utilization as well. It's not important that you always use it, but you should know it, that there is some feature, maybe somewhere you can use it. Okay, our next is custom list. Now custom list is, let's say for example I type over here Monday, and then let's say down Monday, Tuesday, and then I will give range and will drag, okay, right, it is filling. Same way 1, 2, and like this, right? Here I need let's say for example only even numbers, so I will say put 2 and 4. Now it will only give me even numbers. Okay, now here I need odd numbers, so I will put 1 and 3, and it will give the same sequence over here, right? Only odd numbers. Okay, now here let's say for example I need months. You can put full name as well, January, UARY, January, or FEBRUARY, February, right? And drag. Don't double click, just drag, right? It's done. After December it will start from the first one, so it will repeat again. Now I have a challenge over here. Now let's say for example I have to write ABC. Will it work? No. It should not work, right? Now you will be surprised that it is not working with you, but with me it is working. I will show you how, because I have added this in my list. So what I will do, I will remove from there, and then we will try. Go to advanced in the options, and then scroll down to the bottom and click edit list. See, I had added over here, just an example. I will delete it, and I will show you how to edit over here. And I will delete this as well, and delete this as well, right? So it is no more there, right? And I will click OK and click OK. Now what I will do, I will remove it. By default, now Excel is default A, B. It will not work for ABC, right? Okay, sorry. It will not work. Okay, now another challenge is, or utilization may be, let's say for example you have states, you have, let's say for example cities or something. I mean, it depends. Now let me take this state, Control C. I will put it somewhere on the empty sheet, and I will go to data and remove duplicates. After removing duplicates, let me sort it down and make it ascending order, right? So now I have a list. Now one way is you, let's say frequently need in your reports or in your data, so you have to type, right? And you have to remember maybe, or whatever. But if you have a list, once you can add here, I will go to File, Options, Advanced, and scroll down. Edit list. Now I have here, I will select this sign, and I will give the range where I have the values, go back, import, click OK, right? And that's it. Now for example, if I need list of these states, what I will do, let's say for example I will start with AK from somewhere, AK, and then I will just drag, right? Okay, I can drag on the right side as well. It will take from the start where I am starting the drag, and it will take the next values from there on. Let's say it is CT, then DC, and so on, right? If I come here, right, see how easy it is. Okay, our next was let's say top, I have need ABC, right? Now I have to type ABC, else I can use a function character, and I can give a range somewhere here where I will type the number. So each character will have one numeric key. So 65, then I will put 66, and let me copy this function over here. Now let me just give range, sorry, first I will do this one, and then double click here. How much it is done up to Q? W, Y, Z. Right? I got it now. Now let us try over here if it will work on this function to add in the list, and now I will show you the existing list as well. Go to advanced, go bottom, edit list. See that states are here. Now I will click over here and go down and import. See, now I just wanted to show you, if you have the formula or function, it will not work, right? So what I will do, I will cancel it, just select this, Control C, and then paste again with values, right? So now no more function is there. So you need values. So now you can remove this even, because now we have pasted the values. Go to File, Options, and Advanced. Scroll down till around bottom, and then Edit List. Right, and import, right, and OK. That's it. Now you can remove ABC from here. Now if you type A, right, let me do one more, A and C. Let's say for example it will give this gap or no. See, A, B, C, D it removed, E, F. So gap of 1, right? So this was how you can use custom lists and flash fill. I did few other tricks as well. You can remember those: left function, character function. That's it. I think you can try and share your feedback. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.